Oh, wala. Ayan. Yes, of course, magandang hapon po ulit sa inyo lahat. Eh, mga nakapanood sa akin yesterday, I'm actually here yesterday. Ayan, so magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And it's me, Russell James. Ayan. You can grab my songs, nasa iTunes po siya, and on selected record bars nationwide, nasa Astro Plus of Odyssey, actually, yeah. So, you can see me also in a ESAP on Sunday. I'll be guesting there with various artists at saka Trinderas every Saturdays. Nasa Trinderas po ako, TV5, and Wagas on Saturday rin po. So, ayan. Here's a song for you guys.
It's been a while since you walked away. The past crying over you finding someone new. You've done my days into nights, but now I see the light. And this may be a surprise to you, but you make me strong without breaking my heart. You entered my life, you made it better one star. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go on the ride. Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying you can't forgive, I'm over you. Go ahead, there's nothing wrong with making believe I love. 'Cause I used to pretend you could not tell me what time has been since you've been. Come into my senses again, and I hear you to think setting me free. 'Cause you made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life, you made it better one star. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go on the ride. Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Don't feel so sorry for me, not afraid. Don't you know I'm not the one of you? And you made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life, you made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting you wanna die. Yes, we've been stronger, baby, I say you ended my life, you made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting you wanna die. Yes, you made me
Yes, and here's another song for you guys. Yan. Kasama po ito sa album ko. Yan. Here's another song for you guys.
Sa ko ng tanong, yung mga pa?
Hindi ko alam.
And of course, you can watch my YouTube videos. Of course, andun din po. Yung mga songs ko and may mga MTVs ko.